All right, I just pressed the record button. So in case this actually has anything good come from it for YouTube's sake, I want to experiment with the Proving Grounds. Very offensive security, very OSCP structure, right? Obviously, Proving Grounds is a training environment in a online cyber range to experiment and play with a lot of prep for their certifications, like offensive security, certified professional, OSCP, right? Titan 4, thank you so much for the subscription. I do already have an account, so I can go ahead and sign in. Fingers crossed. I would like to read somewhere that it's totally kosher for me to upload this, because I see other Twitch fellas. Al Has Red, I know, was playing this earlier, and that's kind of what got me into this zone of wanting to do this. They stream Proving Grounds all the time, but I would like to see the rules that I could upload it to YouTube. I don't know if that's kosher or not. Can I not scroll? Is this the entire webpage? No, there's stuff down there. I'm just not allowed to scroll. Okay, whatever. Now, no boxes? Okay, it's coming up. Let's just start the warm-up, I suppose, because I don't know exactly where I'm going or what I'm doing. But we do need to download a VPN, for one thing. I don't think I even have all of that set up. It seriously won't let me scroll on the rest of the page. Oh, it's just in some container. Weird. Why is it taking so long to download that VPN? It's realistically just a text file. Welcome, everybody. Nameless, hello. 8-bit only says hi. Titan Uranus says hi. I don't like that username now that I've said that out loud. You got me. We'll call this PG for Proving Grounds. Why are you not downloading the VPN? Am I going to be disallowed from playing this right now because it won't give me a VPN file? Because I will cry. I wanted to do this so badly, and I was like, oh, I don't need to set it up. I don't need to stage it beforehand. I don't need to... Give me the VPN! Give me it! Give me the VPN! Can I connect to Kali? Start Kali. What the Preparing your Kali instance. Only these domains are accessible. Oh, I don't have the whole rest of the internet? That's stupid. No hate, guys. But this stream is sponsored by VPNs. Choose one. Literally any of them. Oh, VPN has appeared. Holy crap. Mother of literally anything. Sudo open VPN. Wait a second. Do I have a ton 0 right now? I don't, thank God. Alright. On its own, without context, seeing pg.ovpn looks weird to me. I have to think of PB for peanut butter, but if I think of PG, I think of peanut gutter. You know what I'm saying? You probably don't. You probably don't know what I'm saying, because I don't really know either. Can I load the page without accessing Kali? Let me out of Kali. I don't want to be in Kali anymore. Yes, I want to stop my browser instance. In this episode, John learns how to computer. Okay. Which of these should we do? All of them are Linux, apparently. Sunset Decoy is what I thought I saw Al Has Red tinkering with. FunBoxEasy. Monitoring, I thought I saw. Let's start small. Let's start with baby steps. Let's do one of these. Why do I have to do this for the Kali thing? That's friggin' garbage. Do I seriously have to? No. Don't tell me that I have to. Can you let me out? Do they have IP addresses? This is literally my first time seeing the interface for Proving Grounds, so forgive me for being an absolute idiot. FunBoxEasy. Where do I see... Oh my god, Callie, get out of here. Stop. Where do I see an IP address? How does Proving Grounds functionally work? You have Fraggle coming in. Try harder, John? Did you consider trying harder? What if you were to actually, you know, try, John? Harder, for once. No. I don't want to connect through Kali. I want to connect through the VPN. Download VPN. I did it. Start a machine. Access a machine. Select the machine icon next to the VPN connection button. What? The list of... present the list of machines available with the selected product. Player practice. Okay, so it's this thing. And then I have to... Oh, there's a start thing way over on the side. In this video... It's not, though. There's not, though. There's not. Oh. Oh, I have to toggle to that shit. Oh my god. Oh. Thank you. Thank you. I understand, everybody. I have proven how friggin' stupid I am. And now, we can continue. So I've started the FunBoxEasy, apparently. Yeah, and I think we figured it out. Yeah. Yep. Sorry. Let's blame me on that one. Let's say I'm the idiot, because it's clear that I am. And let's get started. Let's make a directory FunBoxEasy. And let's start a README. He tried harder though. I really appreciate Chloe, your support. You know, at the end of the day, he did try harder. He tried his best. September 1st. September 14th. Yeah. Give me an IP address. Give IP address, please. Oh, I'm not allowed to zoom in. It completely butchers the interface. Great. Great. Starting soon. I don't know if you guys can see that. At some point. Soonish. Whoa, 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 whoa. We have an IP address. Okay, things are happening. FunBoxEasy has been successfully started. Can I ping that bad boy? I can. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All right, get the README going. Let's get a stupid environment variable set up. Let's use nmap, tacsc for default scripts, tacsv to enumerate versions, tac-on to output in the nmap format. We'll save it into a nmap directory that we just created. We'll call the file initial, and the IP address, we just define an environment variable. Let's copy and paste it anyway. And I forgot to add verbose mode, so tac-v. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, shoot. M Alpha, are you guys adding commands for me? You're the best. Thank you so much. All right, so we got port 22 and port 80 open, theoretically. There is an entry in robots.txt, which is a little suspect. Let's make this scan for all ports. Let's turn verbose mode on, and then let's actually make sure that we are using and redirecting that out to a new file. In the meantime, let's go ahead and explore that web page. We have just a flat Ubuntu default web page. I'm going to hit Control U on my keyboard to view the source, just in case they're hiding anything in there. Doesn't look like they are. So let's just go to that same address, but now let's check out the robots.txt entry. Disallow Jim, which is weird to me. That normally that's a user agent, I think. I don't know. The hell is up with this website? What are y'all doing? Hex Edit says you can set up a second screen and use a different scale factor for your text on that screen. That way you have one screen permanently zoomed in for text only. Might help someone. Maybe. Yeah. Okay. This is awful to look at. Useless artifact. User Gabriel says, hey, use the gym, John. Guys. What? I couldn't be doing this here with you right now if I were stuck at the gym. I'd go in there and I'd get trapped. I'd get strapped to the treadmill. I'd break my legs and wouldn't be able to leave. This doesn't look like a custom thing. This looks like some site that's like a provided external thing. BX slider, boot.js. Is this like a project? A lot of rabbit holes in this box. Make sure you look at all sites. Great. I apparently chose the absolute wrong box if there are going to be a lot of rabbit holes and sites. Sketch, in that it refers to a proxyworlds.in, projectworlds.in. What the heck? That's a legitimate website, though. Not something that they're kind of cramming in here. Maybe some of this is. I don't know yet. I don't know. Let's look at these stupid pages. Let's go to packages. These are gyms here. Is this going to be stupid, like using cool to figure out credentials? About page. Nothing all that interesting. The site is made with gym management software on LAMP, not WAMP. So we know it's Linux, right? And that's been clear from the thing. But credentials are one thing that we have to find out. Yeah? The struggle you're in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. Incredible. Facility, this is all the same crap that we just saw. Nmap's still doing his thing. Master has been saying, hey, we just got here. What are you up to? We are experimenting with some Proving Grounds room. Playing with FunBoxEasy, supposedly. Just wait for Go Buster. Huge red flag with OBS. Yeah. Andy approves. Ah, yes. Jane Doe from New York, Beijing. Let's try some Ferox Buster. Let's do some Ferox Buster, tac URL. Let's start with just this guy. And then wordless should be opt. Cyclists, discovery, web content, raft, small files, lowercase. Because we are going to be looking for dashboard.php, check login.php, forgot. Why is these aren't part of the gym? WP form.php. Oh, those are getting 403s. But forgot password is not. Check login is not. Dashboard redirects me. We should probably add a word list in here specifically for like the gym. Oh, Nightwolf is telling me try again. I'm not positive what you mean just yet. Oh, he's referring to setting up the commands. Thank you guys for doing that, by the way. You are the best. Profile.php redirects me. Sign into CRM. Sign up now for a web arch account. This is free. Oh, no. What is this? What the heck? You said check all the sites, as in there are multiple, it seems. Let's try looking in gym right now. First, let's kind of save this output in a disgusting way. Let's say subble Ferox Buster root log. I don't know if there's going to be anything worthwhile in that whatsoever, but let's explore and experiment with it. Now let's try in /gym and see if we can find anything else. There's a lot more there. Upload. That's kind of sus. Up.php. Yeah. Let's try some of those. Up.php. That has nothing in it, because I'm assuming it's going to be something that's included in there, but also upload.php renders nothing. Just so you aren't there for an hour like I was, gym is use. HD password sounds super sus. I agree, but it is a 403. That's returning forbidden. Gym is useless. Understood. I really appreciate that. Overgrown carrot 1. Let's go back to the original stuff then. Let's look at just registration. And sign in now for a web arch account. This brings me to index. You need to sign in or sign up. Let's sign up. Let's just say John, password John, contact number 1. Go. Okay. John. Excuse me. Are you thinking edit.php is something worthwhile? Was that something that we saw? Did we see an edit.php? Did I see an edit.php? No. Huh. Let's do a John and john@john.com. Too short of a password? Maybe. Let's try a longer password. I'll use anything. Contact number 1. Submit. Successfully registered with us. Great. Okay, let's sign up. Username John. Password anything. Excuse me. Too short password. You didn't register. Oh, edit.php is under gym. There's a lot of moving pieces, it seems, here. Gym does have an edit. That's kind of weird. Excuse me. Edit.p it redirects me to? Last hint, are you going to run out of time? You should hit up your library and read more often. What does that mean? Hit up my library and read more often. Shitty box. Yeah, okay. I see the chat going off. Shitty box. I apparently chose the worst one to get started with. We have registered. Is there a check login? Let's go to that one. Does that have a hyphen? No. It's just straight up check login.php. That's probably something that's included. Index.php. You'll figure it out. Look at all the sites. Check your cookies. Swedish mask, that's a good call. We do have a session ID and a sec session ID that's strangely looking. How are there supposed to be other sites other than these two, Gym and Web? We can see if our other Nmap scan came back with anything. No. Only those two so far. Try using the email that you created the account with. Yep. We could try john@john.com. That looks like a much more promising login. Unless it's just loading and failing. Hello? Hello? Register with a valid email and use a password reset? That, I mean, is an option. I feel like that's too real world, you know? I feel like that's too genuine. This page is just friggin' dead now. On Nmap, tech min 5000 to scan all the ports faster. You could. I feel like there's a little bit of a higher chance of me getting some false positives if I do that. I have no issue with just letting it do its thing. It's about 77%. Okay, yeah, this page is gone. Is it from my Nmap? I don't know what I did to kill it, but... Revert the box. No, it's responding. But no longer responding to registration or index or any of those other things. Which word list did you use for Feroxbuster? Maybe there are more pages. So I had used Raft. I should probably use like directory word list ones. Let's try and use a directory word list medium as we would have used from Dirbuster or something. Okay, so it immediately finds Jim. It sees Jim admin. Supposedly. Oh, that's sus. Nice, M-Alpha. I like the commands that you guys are adding in there. Thank you for doing that. Let's go to Jim admin. Let's just explore a little bit more. If this box freaking returns and responds to stuff. Feroxbuster's probably destroying it. What the fuck? Create a PHP invoice with PHP? Excuse me? Insert here price. 100. Your VAT. 200. Insert the name of your... What the... What? That page doesn't do anything. What? What is this box? Why did I choose this? Gosh. Am I doing something wrong? This is just spinning. So if this were to genuinely create a PDF though, like that would be very, very worthwhile. But I'm assuming that error that it gives is exactly what you're telling me. This page is not going to do anything. Is port 33060 open? Yes. That's friggin' weird. Feroxbuster, what are you doing, dude? Oh god, Feroxbuster started screaming because of the display change. No. He's trapped in Gym right now. Just like me. What is going to be on that 33060? That's not like a default. Oh, the directory buster just hasn't found it yet, that's all. Technopie saying SSH is open. Yes, that's totally valid. I don't think we have any credentials or anything to do anything with it just yet. I just want to see what this is. That's weird. Yeah, I don't... Not a thing on a port. Don't brute force my sequel. Is that my sequel? That seriously is my sequel's port? I'm disappointed in myself for not recognizing that. Yeah, you'd totally get locked out. Alright, Ferox Buster. I appreciate you, but you are obliterating my terminal right now. Default creds didn't work on admin login? Where did you see any admin login? Like in gym? Overgrown Carrot told me that the gym is worthless, is useless. He told me, check out the library. Is there some other page that I'm still not seeing? Like a /library? I appreciate Ezreal's the Lost is memeing that Overgrown Carrot has fed me a decent amount, but I significantly appreciate it because there are weird things it seems to be occurring. I'm gonna stop Ferox Buster unless you feel like I really need it, because it is destroying that machine. Is there a way to have a Ferox Buster script skip it? Probably. Maybe the JS library, like the JavaScript library? Was that even referred to? There are no assets. That's a lie. SQL injection and logon frame. Yeah, I realize it's supposed to be an easy box, but I don't know if that's exactly what it means. You know? We could try it. I'll do some stupid SQL map just to, you know. Yeah, that's fine. You can use a cookie. Yep, totally fill it with random data. I don't care. That's totally fine. Yep, you can do it. I don't care if you think there's a WAF there. Dear God, just please freaking do it. Yeah, I could just comment out Jim in the word list. That's kind of an option too. It's weird to me. How did you find that it's MySQL? Email appears to be injectable. Yeah, you can skip the payloads for other things. Yeah, feel free to do those things. I appreciate you, Overgrown Carrot. Yes, you can use batch in SQL map to skip all those confirmations. You absolutely could. If it's time-based blind, that's going to be hell. It's going to be super duper slow. From the chatter in the chat, Neo Tokyo is asking, is it using any specific CMS? So, I mean, I could use Searchsploit and look for, like, WebArc or Gym, but Gym Management System, that's friggin' stupid. It's apparently a thing. 1.0. Authentication bypass? Let me look at this just to verify. Is this genuinely Laravel? Gym/gym login.php? Gym/gym login.php? No. Is it just in login.php? That's not present. That's not present. That was also saying that it was for a WAMP install. Unauthenticated remote code execution. Oh, that's probably more interesting. Dear God. Test it on Windows 10, XAMPP. Are there any Windows specific things in here? Can you do a SQL map tutorial on YouTube? Hopefully, at some point. Andy approves us. I mean, if we're doing rabbit holes, then we should just OSINT Jane Doe. That's Web shell looks like it's supposed to do things. It's supposed to theoretically add a Kaioken php.png, adding it to upload. Upload didn't really do anything though. Let's friggin' try it. Just to see. Undefined on Twitch. Yeah, I appreciate you getting used to. Oh god, Python 2. Disgusting. Oh gosh. Why do we need Colorama for pip and Python 2? Do I need to disable IPv6 bullcrap? I think I do. I have to do this a lot on my virtual machine for fixing pip things. Okay, that theoretically should do it. Depending on what else I need to do. Crap. Python 2. Okay. Boku? Is this Boku from, like, Bobby Cook? I'd be really surprised. This is pretty retro, not gonna lie. So we want this. Could not connect a web shell. Nice. Let's give up on life. We could try a tac A. Yeah, where's your derb? Try and get derb going, John. I should realistically use derb. Let's use nmap with aggressive on port 80. And then let's use the Go Buster, as everyone is suggesting. Do I actually have... Okay. Go Buster. Okay, cool. Go Buster dir? Yep. So tac U. And let's avoid the gym directory, as everyone's been suggesting, and then use the directory wordless medium. Hello? Why? Am I on the old Go Buster version? I guess I am. Store, admin, store. That's a weird one. What the fuck? Check all the websites. Okay. This is another Project Worlds crap. Overgrown Carrot says, John, I think you should write a book on PHP. Oh yeah? Talking about books here? Is that what you're trying to say? Now this looks like a parameter that I can muff stuff up with. And I think it is from testing that little command right there. So let's do a little SQL map again. Let's do an opt SQL map dot py tac u, and then we don't really need to supply any other parameters because it should just add it. Let's make that single quote. I don't declare any cookies. Let's use the tac batch as people were suggesting, so I don't have to deal with answering things. Yeah, just friggin' beat it up. Okay, it says it is injectable, but it's doing some things. So, yeah. /secret. Anyone who lives within their means suffers from a lack of imagination. Oscar Wilde. I really appreciate your pithy philosophical stuff, but not what I need right now, buddy. All right, can I just get an OS shell with this then? We got the exploit working. We have SQL injection, so maybe there's not a login for this, but there might be a crap ton of other. There might be a crap ton of other things in the database that I should worry about. So dump the database, please. Troubadour, thank you so much. Super appreciate all the kind words. Does the source code reveal a version of the CMS? It might. Let's take a look. That's a good call. Admin login. Did we go to admin.php as part of the store? I don't think we did. But we should very well have admin users eventually leaked with this database. Now that we're dumping all that. Overgrown Carrot, hey, thank you. Thank you for the support. Thank you for guiding me down and steering me away from rabbit holes. Boom. Okay, so now we got customers. Admin and a pass, which is a hash that is admin, so just simply admin admin. Are you freaking kidding me? That's dumb. Okay, so we could theoretically add a new book. I just accidentally signed out. Let's go to admin.php yet again. So admin, as we know from our SQL map, let's try and add a new book. And then I'm going to really, really hope that I can just add a PHP web shell as an image. Yeah, Swedish Mask is like, we totally could have guessed that. Absolutely. Let's create a serve directory, and then let's copy opt PHP reverse shell here. And then let's use that PHP reverse shell, modify it to actually be a PHP reverse shell. I guess we'll call it revshell.php on its own. What is my IP address? This thing. So let's see if we can get a callback. Let's see if we can get access back from this by uploading a PHP form. Maybe that will work for us. Not exactly positive, but it's worth a try. Random numbers. Revshell. And let's bring this to Slack NFS. We want CTFs. Oh god. Proving ground. Funbox serve revshell. Will you let me add that? Can't add new incorrect integer value for column publisher ID at row 1. Oh, publisher. It needs to be an integer. God dang it. Price should also probably be an integer. What the fuck? Why not? Yeah, it's a pretty expensive reverse shell, guys. Can't add new data incorrect integer value for publisher ID. I'm literally adding it. Is it in there? It didn't add it. No. Oh, maybe I can edit one of these. How about that? Let's upload our own rev shell like this. Change. It won't let me now. Hello? Confirm. So change just isn't doing it. The publisher is O'Reilly Media, though. Is it because there's a freaking single quote in O'Reilly? Maybe that's just a stupid bad one to use. Change. Oh my god. These all have single quotes in them. They're literally broken. Okay. RevShell.php is now a thing. Question is, where is it putting these? Let's start a listener before our life ends. Can I use PwnCat? Will it behave? We'll try it. And let's use Python Tech. We put our port on quad 9, didn't we? Yeah, we did. Okay, he's doing his thing. Apress activated the reverse shell just simply by accessing it. Okay. That took significantly longer than it should have. We don't have a password. We do... Thank you so much, Overgrown Carrot, for everything that you've been doing to steer me away from those rabbit holes. Tony, as a user from etc. password, has... What the fudge? You're seriously going to just straight up give me all this? I mean, I don't mind. All these passwords here. Let's connect to Tony at... I'm going to add the password there so I don't forget it. Paste that in. Oh god, HTTP schema is in the way. Oh, it's because I already have a session open. God dang it. That's really frustrating and annoying that it does that. I'm going to deactivate my environment and see if I can just have PwnCat do that on its own. Oh! That's the whole net iFaces thing. How about that? Circular import, wines. Alright, let's just use friggin' SSH. It would have been nice to use... I realize it's kind of tiny to see, sorry. Connect with that password? Yes. Easy peasy. Useless artifact is making fun of me. Are you taking notes? Like you're supposed to be, John? No. What the fuck? So we could check if any of these are going to be like GTF opens because we have so many. GTF opens being things that we could use to do privilege escalation. If we have that, I think cancel will give us file upload. Time will give us a shell realistically. You can just straight up user that. Great. Game. What is this smile.sh though? That I want to know. Can I see what that is? No, I can't. Yo, let's free and do it. Nope. I guess I can't. Finger is a command. Finger is a legitimate command to do things. But yeah, this just looks like straight up a troll. If we get back to being root, is this literally a file? It's just not. No. It doesn't even have an A directory here. Whatever. Alright, so we have a root.flag though. Flaff. and we have to be looking for the proof.txt stuff because this is very OSCP. Is there a local.txt or no? How do I submit flags? How do I... Do I even have to submit flags? Tell me how. Once it's connected, you start it. Gotcha. If you need to revert a machine, good. Submit a flag, you just do it. But, oh, I had to zoom out as usual. Super stupid. Congrats. Okay. Great, I can't submit it a second time. So there's got to be a proof.txt or a local.txt somewhere. Let's just use find and hunt the thing down. Where would it be? Oh, var dub dub dub. That's stupid. I guess you are supposed to be the dub 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 data user, so. Done. We did it. Alright, progress submitted. That, truthfully, is all kudos to Overgrown Carrot, because he steered us away from all of those rabbit holes that I absolutely would have fallen into. Kudos, and thank you. Thanks everybody for all the support and love. This was a longer YouTube video than it needed to be. But we can stop this machine and I guess start another one. What do you guys think? Should we bounce back to Try Hack Me, or should we do a different Proving Grounds box? It's not even midnight yet, so. Is it possible to reveal that last flag with local file inclusion? It might be. Try deception? Oh, deception is intermediate, so it's gonna destroy me. Some folks are saying try hack me or hack the box. Yeah, a lot of different options. So let's stop recording. Whoops. Bye, YouTube. Everyone say bye, YouTube. Everyone say bye. Goodbye, YouTube. Great.